Back into reverse again. Okay, now back into drive. Okay, now park. All right. This is a filter taken off of a car. Came in for an oil change. I don't think that's supposed to sound like that. It's definitely interesting though. And then here's a filter just taken off a car. Still got some oil in it, but ow, shit, that's hot. It doesn't make that noise. So interesting. Hey Jenny, you want to see what the oil that came out of the engine looks like? And that motor that was making that clanging sound, this is what the oil that came out of it looks like. Hey, do me a favor, put it into reverse real quick. Back into park.